G'day, Andrew here from MoeJoe Creation. Today we're doing a comparison of filling in order with a stove double boiler versus a wax melter. For each method we will look at a quick custom order we did recently that included 20 soy tin cans. Each soy tin contained 220 grams of wax and 20 tins, so that is 4.4 kilos. The stovetop double boiler pitcher holds approximately 1 kilo of unmelted wax, which means we needed to do 5 pitches to melt the 4.4 kilos worth of soy wax. You can wick your tins while the wax is melting. Our wax melter holds 35 kilos of unmelted wax, so this can be put on to melt while you're having breakfast or doing some chores or having a coffee, reading the newspaper, or playing computer games if the wife isn't around. You can also wick your tins during this melting time. It took 18 minutes to melt a pitcher of wax to the correct temperature. Allow 2.5 minutes to add fragrance and dye with good stirring time, and to pour the candles, which gives a total of 20.5 minutes per pitcher. So in total you would use an approximate 102.5 minutes or an hour and 42 minutes roughly to complete the 20 candles. Here you can see the amount of wax that's dropped once it's melted, so you've virtually lost half a pitcher too. So again, this adds up in time. Alternatively, you could use a metal pouring pitcher and just use 1 pitcher per colour and add fragrance, as they hold roughly 2 kilos of wax. We had 4 different fragrances at 2.5 minutes per fragrance, dye and pour, so there's a total of 10 minutes. We use long spout pouring pitchers that hold enough wax for 2.5 candles, and again it would be 2.5 minutes to add dye, your fragrance, stir thoroughly and pour the candles. So you would need to do 8 lots of these pitchers to do the 20 candles, which would take 20 minutes. Here you can see a very quick, simple method for working out your fragrance. Each tin is 220 grams, so multiply by the 5 tins gives us that amount of 1.1, and then we times that by 8%, which is the recommended fragrance load. So we need 8.8 grams of scent. total material cost for one of these tins is approximately $4. So the total cost of $80 for the 20 candles, and then the total sale price for one candle is $19. So that worked out to a total of $380. So that leaves $300 for overheads and labour. So when looking at your labour costs, it is a lot better to look at 10 or 20 minutes worth of labour rather than an hour and 40 minutes, as we all know how those overheads can really creep up and bite you. So I have to say, us investing a little bit of money for a great return in the wax melter has saved us so much time in comparison. We're able to get so many orders done so much faster, and that really helps the bottom line. For those of you that may be interested in finding out a bit more about the particular melter that we use, I'll leave a link in the description. I'm not getting paid to endorse them at all. It's just I find it's great value for money, and if I can help others out there and with a good product, why not? It's a win-win for everybody. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative, and if you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and a like. Thank you.